Now at 4, wild winds and warm weather in January. Live pictures showing crews dealing with downed power lines in Rancho Cordova right now. These are AT&T lines, we're told. Coloma Road from Cordova Lane and McGregor Drive have been closed to right now vehicle and pedestrian traffic as they work on that. And now to video from West Sacramento on the left and Sacramento's Land Park on the right. The strong winds are giving the trees a workout today for sure. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I'm Elizabeth Kling.
And I'm Curtis Ming. The windy weather is raising fire concerns, and boy, my house is creaking right now. Let's get on over to Dave, tracking the gusty winds and the warm weather.
It's very much like if you were born and raised in Southern California, this is almost a Santa Ana January kind of day that you would experience in SoCal. We don't always get them up here, but they do happen, and obviously that's occurring right now. So you're right. Look at that. Temperatures way above where we should be by about 15 degrees in some spots, maybe even 20 compared to where we should be at this time in the middle of January. These are sustained winds out of the northwest in Sacramento at 24, 23 in and around Marysville. But there are pockets up into the foothills where you're not seeing much wind at all. Now, you got to throw some gusts on top of this. Some gusts going along with this, coming out of the north, have been pushing 40 miles per hour down here in the valley. Up at the ridgetop, some of them could be pushing 65 miles per hour, and that's down at the lake. At the ridgetops, could be pushing 85 to 100. So bottom line is fair skies will be the dominant feature, but the winds are also going to be the feature. So we have this in place, a wind advisory to the end of the day tomorrow here in the valley with gusts 30 to 40 out of the north and for the most part northeast. In the high country, high wind warning goes to the end of the day, and like we said, down at the lake, some gusts at 65 miles per hour. Ridgetop gusts could be pushing close to in the neighborhood of 85 to 100. So windy in the high country, believe it or not, maybe a flurry tomorrow morning up there, and here are your gusts in the valley, 30 to 40 for your Tuesday. Will it carry on beyond that? That answer here in just a bit. Curtis.
All right, Dave, thank you.